If you want to create icon style on Google Pixel 11 Pro, what you can do is you can go to Settings. Over here in Settings, you should be able to find Wallpaper and Style. So let's go ahead and open this. Then we're gonna switch from the lock screen preview to the home screen preview, just like that. And then in here, we should be able to swipe up from this bottom section to reveal these additional options. And you want to go to Icons. Here we have the style selection. Usually we have default and minimal options, so you can just use whichever you would like to use. But you can also tap on Create to set up your own style. And your own style can be created based on these presets over here. So we have a couple of different styles that we can start with. And let's say I'm gonna choose, I don't know, like cookies. And there we go. Sometimes you can also find additional prompt here at the bottom of the screen, which is customizable. I mean, in some cases it is customizable. So maybe actually instead of cookies, let me choose the easel option. And there we go. Now in here, I can tap on this Jade text and I can switch to berry, for example, and I can create icons based on that updated prompt. So as you can see here, this is how it works. Besides that, you can tap on any of these icons. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one, and then I can create a completely new style. So if I tap on create new style, then that app appearance is going to be slightly updated. If I don't like it, I can keep going until I find something that I actually like. And there we go. So once you customize the appearance of these icons, there we go, then we should be able to download. And of course, it's going to be immediately selected. We can go back to the style of icons, and of course you can select that style that you just have created. And then you can go back to the home screen, and there we go, it is updated. Leave a like and subscribe.